It's never come on a Tuesday. Floppy, and the dogs lick my knee, and I think 70 to 48. Oh my goodness. Oh, star athlete 20. It is still coming down. Oh, the shell's pushing too. Hello, Mappo fans. Still got my Valentine balloon up. Flowers are doing good, and the ones that have the roots will never die, which is nice. And we've got rain. We'll be turning into snow tonight, 9 or 10 p.m. And let's see what today brings. I'm getting ready to head to the temple and do some family names, and then head to Ellie's game up in Farmington. I got my hair braided because I'm going to get baptized for someone. And this is a quick hairdo. When I come home, I can take a shower and do my hair the right way. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today. That rhymes. Well, you can see that snowstorm coming in. Oh, so cold. Oh, it looks pretty though. Oh my goodness. Okay. Fountain in the mountains. Can't see the mountains. You guys, the TV is on. It always comes on Monday. And I don't know if it was on Monday because the grandkids were here. It's never come on a Tuesday. Maybe it is Joe saying hi. Well, look at that. A Tuesday. Love you, babe. Oh, wow. A Tuesday. Oh, my goodness. What do you guys think about that? It has been always, once I started noticing it, it was always on Monday morning. It's Tuesday. I wanted to go to the game. I'm not going to drive in this snow, though. I was just getting ready to head out. I didn't believe the snow would come, but Doug is going to live stream it. So we will watch it live on Facebook. I do not want to drive out here in this. Oh, I'm going to stay home and watch the game here. And the roads are probably fine. I don't know. I don't want to get out there and see, you know, the snowplows are out there and they're doing their best, but I don't know. Look at this. It is pretty. I know it is. We do need it. But I think I will just stay in. These are my bell-bottom plants. I call them flares. And they have these pre-made holes in them. This one's okay, but this one drives me crazy. It's too big. It's too floppy, and the dogs lick my knee, and I think so I'm going to put a piece of material in it on the inside, and I'm going to cover this one too because it's just too cold. And let's get that done. And I've got the pants sewn in underneath, and that will cover my leg and keep it warm. I've already done a DIY on it, so I will show you how to do it. And I'm just going to do it because it's really fast. I can get it done in like 5 minutes. Oh, I'm glad I stayed home. This does not look fun. I got the game on the computer. 7 seconds. 24 them, 8 us. I don't see Ellie out there. I will come back and film when Ellie comes out to play. This is state. First quarter is done, 24 to 8. Okay, we're down to the last 13 seconds of the second quarter. The score is 43-25. I have not seen Ellie come in yet. They are 43. We are 25. We are wearing the dark colored outfits. Oh dear, we're kind of struggling here. Hopefully we can come back the second quarter. And it's a scary drive out there. Shell said it took an extra 30 minutes. We've got the mats all set up. They're getting ready for their dance. Got 7 minutes before the team comes back out. Now to take all the mats down with a lot of work for their performance. The game will start in 3 minutes. They started the game 43-25, and it's funny. I hear no announcers, no bands playing, make the game exciting. It's just not much excitement. 46-25. Usually got the band going and the student body cheering. Oh well, we'll tune back in later when Ellie's playing. But so far they've got quite a bit of a lead, 21 point lead. Okay, Ellie is in. That's Ellie right there. I just noticed her. When'd she come in? They must have switched when I wasn't looking. Score is 54-37 them. Okay, Ellie, bottom right. Ooh. Oh, Ellie's in there. Ellie's bringing the ball down. It's going all the way. Oh, got her foul. Oh, Ellie's out. Good job, Els. Hey, girls, we can do the comeback. We can do this. We're down to the last minute, 21. This is a girl that was at our house Sunday, Chloe. Ellie's still not in. She got to play for a little bit. Glad I noticed. Score is 66-45 them. No way we can catch them. 68-47 them. And this is the girl that Hunter went to the prom with. So she does shooting. Oh. Yeah, there's only 46 seconds left. Ellie got to play for about a couple minutes. Well, we gave it a good try. Gave it the good old college try. 70-48. Oh my goodness. And I'm glad I got home from the temple before the snowstorm hit. I wore my boots. What are we down to? The last 12 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 70-48. Good job, girls. Oh, everybody drive safe through that storm. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't try and go to it. I thought, no, I'll stay home so I can watch it online. Oh, where's Ellie? I don't know, I can't tell. I can't tell you where Ellie. Right there. Oop, I lost her. Good job. So since we lost, I don't know if we are finished or if we have another game. And this is a cute picture. Blast from the past, Hunter trying to shoot it up into the basket. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh, he can touch the rim now. Granddaughter Maddie, that plays in Price, she was Dinos Outlast Bears on ETVN News. Way to go, Maddie. And also Maddie is the top star athlete. 27th week top star athlete. Way to go. You guys, look at this. This is insane. Look at my shoes. Oh dear. Let's see how the weather, oh dear. It is still coming down. Oh, winter wonderland, my goodness. They said we'd get 2 to 5 inches. We just might. Glad I'm not out in there. I hope Rochelle gets home safely. Oh, look at their drive. Oh, this is horrible for them. How can they even see? But they are home now. This is crazy. Oh, Rochelle's pushing too.
We're dying.
Oh no.
Okay. We're dying.
Oh dear. Hunter's inside driving with his hurt leg. So glad they made it home. My goodness. And there's the team. Wow. Good job, girls. I got to watch it online. I'll close with some quotes and go to bed. It's, I think, gonna get up to like 10 inches. Oh my goodness. It's like the sky has fallen. It's crazy. Glad Rochelle made it home and home from the game and pushing their car. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I stayed home. I'm glad I decided to just stay home because Doug videoed it, so I got to see the game. Okay, the quote is, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it." We sure do. Be careful to not waste it. And thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Remember, look for that rose and let's see what tomorrow brings. Thank you and good night.
911, my heart's broken. Somebody help me. What can I do? I cannot breathe. I keep on crying. I think I'm dying. This is an emergency. I didn't see it coming, it knocked me right down. Hit me head on, now I'm spinning around. We were just cruising, never thought of losing you. What can I do? 911, my heart's broken. Somebody help me. What can I do? I cannot breathe. I keep on crying. I think I'm dying. This is an emergency. Bring the jars of life and cut me out of this pain. I need to be like blighted where it never rains. My heart is breaking, my whole body's shaking, 'cause you said we were through. 911, my heart is broken. Somebody help me. What can I do? I cannot breathe. I keep on crying. I think I'm dying. This isn't